Okay, today is April the 25th, 2017, and right now at 10:20 a.m. we have a temperature of 65 degrees in the foothills. We've got a relative humidity of 36%, which is quite low when we look at the pattern. This is jet stream flow moving right down to the southeast through California. We have high pressure by a transmitter being installed right in this area. We can see the area opening up, and the outflow right here. All right, so we've got low relative humidity of 36%, despite all this moisture moving right down through the state. We should be having rain. Let's look at the telecast Doppler. There's no rain through most of California and most of Arizona. All right, so we had very, very heavy chemtrail spraying yesterday, Monday. And we also had chemtrail spraying on Sunday, which I documented in the last video. All right, so we've got a dew point of 38 degrees, and right now we have light winds in the foothills. What these weather controllers have done is they've installed high pressure, a transmitter generated high pressure zone right here, and that is evaporating all this moisture. Now we still have a whole sky load of chemtrails, which are drying out this moisture field. And we can see the outflow here, these bands of moisture moving away right here and here. Let's take a look at the water vapor map. We can see those shock waves as this transmitter pulses the area over California. We also have a blockade. This is a transmitter generated blockade. We have a low pressure system right here, and this has been blockaded. Now we can see that, and that prevents the jet stream from winding into the center of this developing system, which also has a right angle on it. You can see that. And there's also a low pressure system here, which has been squashed out. You can see that there's something trying to spin here, but that has been dealt with this transmitter technique right here. They've separated this flow once again from the developing weather right here and over here. We can see that here once again in the infrared loop. That right angle is fairly well defined, right there. Okay, let's look at the bigger map here, the Northeast Pacific water vapor loop. We can see that jet stream flow. Let's look at the jet stream map right now. We can see the pattern flowing right down into a portion of Oregon and down southeast through California. This has been the same pattern for the last 3 days, Sunday, Monday, and today. So we had very, very heavy choking chemtrail spraying going on all day yesterday, and that stopped the rain in the Southern California area once again. If we look at the surface pressure map, we can see the high pressure that's been depicted out here, but it's actually all of the concentrated high pressure is right in this area, which is drying out and evaporating that jet stream flow, moving right through the area. Here's the 500 millibar map. We see high pressure depicted through this area. We have some squiggly lines, as we should, because of the stationary high pressure that's been installed in this area. We've got a low right here. And we have the 300 millibar map showing. And we've got these squiggly lines all through the area. And we have low pressure depicted throughout this area. Okay, so we've got wind, which started last night, and that is because of this area right here, which has been targeted with a transmitter. We can see what's happening right here. Seems to be the area where that most of the transmitters energy is being focused. We can see that circular area right there opening up towards the end of the loop. And also over this area here, Central California. That's why these bands of moisture are moving out of the way. We've got outflow. That's very clear to see in the maps. Let's look at the bigger map. We can see another area right here. And we have a lot of weather moving into Mexico, but of course there's no rain anywhere in Mexico. That means Mexico is being sprayed like bugs as well as the rest of us. Okay, so that is the report. I wish you had some better news, but we should be having rain, of course. Another great opportunity to nourish the deserts, which are parched. And of course, Southern California needs more rain. So these terrorists have stopped another opportunity for rain. And the only area in California that's getting that rain is right up here near Eureka in the northern section, right up there. Okay, so that's it. Do another update tomorrow.